Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to print your Canva designs using the latest 2026 method. Whether you've created a flyer, poster, business card, invitation, certificate, or any other design, Canva makes it easy to prepare your project for high-quality printing. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Canva account. Once you're logged in, open the design that you want to print. Before printing, carefully review your design. Check that your text, images, colors, and spacing look exactly the way you want. If your design has multiple pages, make sure each page is complete and in the correct order. When everything is ready, click the **share ** button in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select *download**. Next, click the ** file type * drop-down menu and choose ** PDF print **. This format provides the best quality for professional printing and helps keep your design sharp and clear. If your design contains multiple pages, you can choose to download all pages or only the ones you want to print. After selecting your preferences, click ** download**. Canva will create the PDF file and save it to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the PDF file using your preferred PDF viewer. Click the ** print * option or press *Ctrl+P on your keyboard. In the print settings, choose your printer, select the paper size, set the page orientation, and adjust any other options you need. Before printing multiple copies, it's always a good idea to print one test page first to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're satisfied with the settings, click the ** print * button and wait for your printer to finish the job. And that's it. That's how you can print your Canva designs using the latest 2026 method. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more Canva tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.